Hello and welcome to the Moorhead-Outlet store. In today's video, we're looking at a 2005 New Holland BR780 in good condition. Let's look at some of the features on this round baler. First off, this BR780 produces 5x6 foot round bales and features a variable bale chamber, hydraulic double wrap, and an extra sweet pickup with hydraulic lift and dual gauge wheels. This BR780 is equipped with a hydraulic bale tensioner, an electronic Bale Counter, Bale Kicker, and TRELLEBORG tires. Thank you for viewing this 2005 New Holland BR780. If you're interested in this round baler and would like to contact our sales staff, give them a call at 877-886-7010. And don't forget to check out our website at TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store, guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.